Welcome to our video about the WinMOD process simulator for ABB System 800XA. WinMOD is a simulation tool for automation systems. It replaces the real-world system with a real-time behavioral simulation virtualized system. WinMOD is very useful for software testing in an early stage. The simulation is more than just the basic object simulation like feedbacks of pumps and valves. The system is able to simulate PID controls for flow, temperatures and so on. WinMOD eliminates the need for simulation software inside your PLC or SCADA application. And the system is also very useful for operator training. WinMOD is a digital twin of the equipment from the real factory. It simulates all inputs of the real factory based on the outputs and real process. All simulated I/O values are written to a soft controller through OPC-DA. Now we will show you an example of process simulation for a milk factory. At first, the simulation is disabled. You can see this because every valve and every pump has errors. These are the feedbacks that are missing. Now we will start the WinMOD simulation. As you can see, all errors on the objects have disappeared. This is because WinMOD has simulated the right feedbacks. Now we will start the process. We're going to pump milk from a truck to a tank. When production has started, the corresponding valve has opened. You can also see the level of the tank increasing. Activating the valve is done by the PLC program. The feedbacks of the valve and the tank level are simulated by WinMOD. When there is a certain level in the tank, the PLC program activates the agitator. The feedbacks of the agitator are again simulated by WinMOD. After this, the PLC code activates the heating circuit of the tank. When the steam valve has opened, the temperature of the heating circuit starts increasing. The temperature is also simulated by WinMOD. When the desired temperature of the heating circuit has been reached, the valve to the tank shell will open. Now you can see that the temperature of the milk in the tank starts increasing. We have made our own PID loops in WinMOD to simulate analog values. We can configure several things on these loops, like for example the ramp speed. When the desired level of the tank has been reached, the PLC code will close the filling valve. After this, WinMOD will stop increasing the tank level. Finally, we will show you what happened in the WinMOD simulator. We have made different macros for different process simulations. We have done this for the valves, pump objects, the tank level and so on. As you can see, it is possible to simulate every I/O input of the process. And you can extend the simulation as much as you like. Would you like to know more about the process simulation for ABB System 800XA with WinMOD? Please feel free to contact IAS Industrial Automation.